Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited for today's video because we are heading into spring, and with that being said, my desk is a mess because I'm doing art, and I'm really excited to be back into cartoons again. Like, this was a breath of fresh air, no pun intended. But speaking of a special video, because I'm doing it with my friend Miss Mo Art Flashes on YouTube. Definitely go check her out. She does lovely work, and I love talking to her almost every day on Instagram, and we've been talking back and forth in between what we're doing for art collabs and what we're doing for this collab. We're doing spring doodles, and I thought I would do a spread of a unicorn, spring unicorn, and kittens and bees and just colored pencil. I've been learning to draw with colored pencils lately, and I've been having fun. They could be a headache sometimes, but I am learning. So I took what I learned from my portraits to colored pencil and did it that way. So definitely go check out my friend Art Splashes on YouTube. Go subscribe to her. We've done several collabs before. And I'll try to link them in the iCard or whatever in the end screen or something, and I will do it that way. So thank you, Molly, for collabing with me. I had a blast doing it, and I hope you enjoy this little doodle sketchbook spread of a unicorn and a bee and kittens. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully this will be a long video for you guys, and that way you can enjoy. So let's get on with today's video. And before you guys ask me or anything like that, the color pencils I am using are Prismacolor, Crayola, just a mixture of brands, color pencils, and just been having a lot of fun with them lately. So hopefully you'll like the spread of this, and keep on watching. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited for today's video, only because I am collabing with one of my really good friends, Art Flashes on YouTube. So I'm really excited collabing with Molly. She is a great friend, and also is there for art advice and anything like that, and she's just really fun to talk to on Instagram almost every day when we can, but usually at the end of the day, when we're not busy, we usually just talk and share what we're doing during the day, and she does amazing art, and I highly recommend go checking her out on YouTube. I'll link her YouTube video in the description below after she posts hers. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Huge shout out goes to her. Thank you so much for collabing with me, Molly. I cannot wait to see what you do. So for this spring spread, we decided to do a spring sketches, spring spread, say that 5 times fast, in our sketchbook. And I've been playing a lot with color pencils lately, and I've been getting into them and trying to go for a photorealistic feel to them. But this one I decided to dive deep into color pencils and practice on shading and try to understand them a little bit better. And I've been taking a lot of Skillshare classes. I'm actually following one right now on photorealistic, but that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about spring sketches. So I decided to do a spring unicorn and obviously and a bee and the flowers and a kitten. Now the kitten's unproportionate. I wanted him to have a smaller body to look like a kitten. He kind of looks like a horse a little bit, but that's okay too. In cartoons, I'm trying not to make that excuse, but I'm slowly getting back to cartoons again, and hopefully be able to make finished illustrations like traditional. I've done them Procreate wise, and I haven't really done cartoon illustrations. I've done sketches, but full illustrations like this one, I haven't really done in color, and I'm really itching want to do that more in the sketchbook I have going on. So this gave me the spring board to hop onto that. So thank you, Molly. Actually, she helped me get back into cartoons again because I've been really into Bird with the Guard and with them, and I've been missing cartoons, and it's just a nice page to change it up to for that. So with you guys, I'm going to leave you guys here with music for the rest of the video. Feel free to draw along in what you're drawing. Molly, thank you so much for collabing with me. I had so much fun. Looking for more collabs in the future. Maybe we can bring more people into our collabs. I know we have a group on Instagram that we usually like to talk to daily, and it's Art Pals on Instagram. So it's been a lot of fun and DMs and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And especially go subscribe to Art Flashes. And she does some really amazing art. So I hope I did her justice in today's video. So thank you again, Molly, for collabing. I had so much fun getting back into cartoons again and finding my style and improving my style a little bit. So I could just go on and on talking about how great Molly is and always. Um, so yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye guys.